the Huawei Media Pad M5. Stand by. This video is about to start. This is the Savage Scientist Ed right here. And I'm ordering a police car. This is Savage Scientist Ed, about to unbox this Media Pad 5 Huawei device. I already ripped the plastic off because when it was issued to me, I had an assignment already done. My goal is to root this thing, and I guess I should be doing a video on how to root the Huawei Media Pad M5. It already is on. Beautiful display, very magnetic in touch to the touch. It's an awesome device. It has a touch sensitive button on the bottom, and whenever you're at the home screen, let's get something on here. So when you have an app open, this button will take you back, and it's touch responsive too. Very beautiful button. I really think Samsung, this is how Samsung buttons should have been. You don't have to have a click response all the time. I'm gonna go into the specs on this thing, but camera app, give you all this crap. So that's to show you that this thing is new. This is running Android O. Get some pictures. Makes the clicky sound. So let's see what else is in here. This is SIM card ejection tool. This is look like a headphone jack adapter because there's no headphone jack in here. So you have to use a dongle to have your headphone. And this is the power brick. That's all that comes in the box. Power brick, great power brick. And Huawei is one of those companies that followed the Apple suit with getting rid of the 3.5mm headphone jack. And this is some Huawei instruction manual, probably something from the company. Huawei is in some troubles in the United States, but that don't mean they are not a great OEM manufacturer. Huawei makes some good stuff. I just hate that the company is going through all this stuff, and if they're doing something they shouldn't, then the government will get them. But this tablet doesn't have tap to wake. That's one of the things that make it so the LG tablets are better. Just imagine having something this big and you could tap anywhere on the screen, and you could also disable that tap to wake. That is a very great feature to have. And unfortunately, this Huawei tablet doesn't support that feature, tap to wake. So if you tap down here on the home button, that would wake the screen. Years since I have had the Huawei Media Pad M5. Or M5 if you want to call it that. And I really enjoyed this tablet. One of the things is this tablet has a locked bootloader, and it is really hard to get this thing rooted. And I'm putting it on my triple beam scale right here. So according to the triple beam, weighs 11 ounces, or if you're into grams, 31 grams, 11 ounces, or 0 pounds, just 11 ounces. And okay, so here we go. It came out March 2018, and it's running Android 8. It's known as the MediaPad M5, and 13 megapixel camera, and it's a Kirin 960 processor. According to here, it's a 8-core processor, octa-core processor. Yep, octa-core processor. It has 64 gigs of internal memory, and it's compatible with Wi-Fi bands A, B, N, and AC and G on the wireless. Max screen resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. It's not 4K yet. And that's probably all y'all want to hear about this thing. I mean, I really like this tablet, actually. So, till I make my next video, this was just a quick unboxing. Peace out.